In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create landing pages in Shopify. Crafting a compelling landing page is essential for capturing your audience's attention and potentially boosting your sales. We'll walk you through a straightforward process to achieve this using Shopify's built-in features. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand panel in your Shopify admin area and click on Online Store. From there, select Preferences. It's in this section that we're going to enable password protection. What this does is restrict access to your online store while simultaneously allowing Shopify to create a landing page for your site. This page acts like a welcoming gateway for visitors, enticing them to explore further when you're ready to launch. Now that we've set that up, our next task is to tailor this landing page to fit your brand and vision. To do this, you need to go back to the online store section, then click on Customize found under the theme you are currently using. This action will direct you to the site editor, a powerful tool where you can witness your website's look and feel come to life. At this point, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the page title displayed. Go ahead and click on this title and then select Password. By doing this, you are accessing the password page, which is essentially your landing page. Here, you have the freedom to edit its appearance and elements. You can adjust layouts, add engaging visuals, and craft captivating text that resonates with your target audience. Remember, your landing page serves as the first impression for many of your visitors. Consider using high-quality images and concise, compelling language to draw users in. You might also think about including an email sign-up form to start building a connection with your visitors even before the full store is live. And that's it. By following these steps, you've created a functional and appealing landing page in Shopify. Remember, the key to a successful landing page is in the details. Keep it simple, clear, and aligned with your brand's voice. As your storefront evolves, you can revisit and tweak your landing page to ensure it remains effective and engaging for your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Shopify store. See you next time.